Finding the perfect gift for kids can be challenging. You want something fun, educational, and age-appropriate. Whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or just a surprise, the right gift can bring a huge smile to their face. In this video, I'll share 15 amazing gift ideas for kids that are sure to delight. 1. Building blocks and Lego sets. Encourage creativity and problem-solving with classic building sets. 2. Board games. Fun for family time, from classics like Monopoly to strategy games for older kids. 3. Art and craft kits. Painting, coloring, or DIY craft kits to boost creativity. 4. Educational toys. STEM kits, science experiments, or interactive learning toys for curious minds. 5. Remote-controlled cars or drones. Exciting gadgets that combine play and skill. 6. Books and storybooks. Foster a love for reading with age-appropriate books or series. 7. Musical instruments. Beginner-friendly instruments like keyboards, ukuleles, or tambourines. 8. Outdoor play equipment. Bikes, scooters, or sports gear to encourage outdoor fun and activity. 9. Plush toys and dolls. Cuddly companions for younger kids or collectible dolls for older children. 10. Puzzle games. Brain-teasing puzzles or jigsaw sets to improve problem-solving skills. 11. Science kits. Fun chemistry or physics kits that make learning hands-on and exciting. 12. Subscription boxes for kids. Monthly surprises like art boxes, STEM kits, or book clubs. 13. Interactive learning tablets. Educational tablets or electronic learning toys that make learning fun. 14. Personalized gifts. Custom backpacks, water bottles, or clothing with their name or favorite character. 15. Experience gifts. Tickets to amusement parks, museums, or workshops. Memories last longer than toys. And that's it, 15 fantastic gift ideas for kids. From creative toys and educational tools to fun experiences and personalized gifts, there's something here for every child. Which of these gifts do you think a kid would love the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more creative gift ideas every week. Thanks for watching, and happy gifting!